Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you something super cool. You're gonna see some amazing wallpapers that can completely change the look of your phone. Just take a look at these. Crazy, right? Some of these wallpapers look like they're popping out of your screen. And yes, you can get them on your own phone, and I'll show you exactly how in just a few minutes. All right, now let's get to the fun part, getting these wallpapers on your own phone. First, we need the Depth Effect Live wallpaper app. I've made it super easy for you. Just head over to our Telegram channel. It's called It's Bravo Tech. Open Telegram, tap the search bar, type in It's Bravo Tech, and boom, you're there. Quick tip before you download, make sure to join the channel so you don't miss out on updates and wallpapers that we don't share anywhere else. Trust me, you'll want to see what's coming next. Once you're in the channel, just find the latest Depth Effect Live wallpaper APK, hit download, and wait for it to finish. Don't worry if it's your first time installing an APK. Once it's downloaded, just tap it, hit install, and you're good to go. All right, the app is installed. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we go. When you open the app, you're gonna see a ton of wallpapers, tons of them. Some are simple, some are crazy 3D depth ones, and all of them will make your phone look amazing. And the best part? They're all organized into different collections, so there's something for everyone. You've got abstract designs, stunning architecture, beautiful birds, cool cars and vehicles, mind-blowing aerospace stuff, and so many more categories that I can't even name them all. You can scroll, tap, and even preview before setting them. Honestly, it's like walking into a candy shop, but for wallpapers. You'll definitely find something that matches your style. Now let's check out the cars and vehicles collection. For all you speed lovers out there, these wallpapers are a dream. Okay, let's pick one to see it in action. Quick tip. If you want to see how it'll look on your home screen, hit the preview button before applying. It's a small step, but it saves you from picking the wrong wallpaper. Just tap Set Wallpaper. You can choose to set it for your home screen, lock screen, or both. And don't worry, if you change your mind, you can come back anytime and try another one. There's so many to choose from, you'll never get bored. Here's a little secret. Some wallpapers look even better in motion. Try scrolling through your phone apps with a dynamic wallpaper. Trust me, it looks insane. It's like having a mini iPhone 12 Pro Max right in your pocket. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to It's Bravo Tech on Telegram. We're always posting new wallpapers, tricks, and updates that you won't find anywhere else. Alright guys, now let's have some fun. Check this out. I found a Tom and Jerry wallpaper in the cartoons collection. Look at this! They're just happily playing together, and the depth effect makes it feel like they're right on your screen with you. It's super cute and so lively. Alright, let's scroll through some wallpapers. Oh wow, check this out. We've got a monkey here, and yep, it's doing the dab. Honestly, this one's hilarious perfect if you just want a silly, fun wallpaper that makes you laugh every time you unlock your phone. But don't worry, if you're going for something more premium and sleek, there are plenty of options. Let's find another wallpaper that really gives that iPhone 12 Pro Max vibe. Something clean, elegant, and just wow. Okay, found one. Let's preview it and see how it looks on the phone. Now, this is more like its subtle depth effect, smooth colors. This is the kind of wallpaper that really makes your phone pop. Now it's live on the screen. See that? The dynamic effect is working perfectly. Even just watching the seconds move, it feels like the phone itself is alive. Alright guys, now we're diving into the studio section. This is where the real magic happens. Let's start with the basics. Here you can find fonts, font size, basically everything to make your clock look exactly how you want. Play around with the font size, make it big, small, however you like. You can also adjust the horizontal and vertical positions. Want the clock at the top, bottom, centered? It's totally up to you. Next up is typography. Here's where you can change the clock style itself, adjust line spacing, basically make it look fancy or minimal, whatever your style is. Try different options. It's fun to see how just small tweaks change the whole vibe. Now let's talk about the date. Tap Show Date if you want the date to appear on your screen. After that, head over to the settings section. Here you can toggle on or off to show the clock on your lock screen or keep it just on your home screen. And the same goes for your home clock. Customize it however you like. There are so many animation styles too. You can pick subtle movements, bouncing effects, even dynamic animations that react when you touch the screen. Honestly, this is where your wallpaper starts to feel alive. After making all these changes, take a moment to scroll through and see how everything looks. If it doesn't look quite right, or if something went off, don't panic. Just hit reset to default and start fresh. It's easy, and you won't lose anything important. So that pretty much covers all the basics you need to know in Studio. Fonts, typography, date, clock positions, animations, everything to make your wallpaper look exactly how you want. Alright, now let's look at one more wallpaper, and this is actually the one I usually go for. The horse wallpaper just works really well with the depth effect. Like, when the horse comes in front of the clock, it instantly gives that clean, premium look. You don't need anything too complicated either. Just make sure the subject is placed properly around the clock area. And yeah, this is probably my favorite one out of all of them. So before you leave, make sure to subscribe because I've got more lock screen setups, wallpapers, and customization videos coming soon. Also, join my Telegram channel. I drop all the wallpapers there first, plus extra stuff that I don't always post here. And one more thing. Which wallpaper did you like more, the horse one or the first one? Let me know in the comments.